Huawei is gearing up to introduce its latest smartphone innovations, the Pura 70 and Pura 70 Pro, to the global market, with Malaysia likely being the first stop. The recent appearance of these models on the Kirin website in Malaysia, which is essential for market access in the region, hints at an impending launch. This development is particularly noteworthy as it indicates that these devices comply with local safety standards for electrical and digital equipment, often a precursor to official market introduction. While Huawei has not yet made an official announcement regarding the global rollout, the certification suggests that the Pura 70 series could soon be available outside China. This move could see the Pura 70 and Pura 70 Pro making their debut in Malaysia before potentially being released in other international markets. However, it's important to note that other models in the series, such as the Pura 70 Pro Plus and 70 Ultra, have not appeared in the certification database, indicating they may not be part of the initial global release. The Pura 70 series promises impressive technical specifications. Both models boast OLED screens with a 120Hz refresh rate and are protected by Kunlun glass. The Pura 70 features a 6.6-inch display, while the Pro version offers a slightly larger 6.8-inch screen. Under the hood, the Pura 70 is equipped with the Kirin 900OS1 chip, a slightly lower specification of the Kirin 900OS, whereas the Pro model includes the more advanced Kirin 9010 chip. Both versions offer up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, ensuring ample space and speed for any user. In terms of camera capabilities, the standard Pura 70 includes a 50MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP periscope telephoto lens. The Pro model enhances this setup with a 12.5MP ultra-wide and a powerful 4.8MP telephoto shooter, maintaining the same 50MP main lens. Battery life is also robust, with the Pura 70 Pro featuring a 5050 mAh battery supported by 100 charging, and the Pura 70 equipped with a 4900 mAh battery that offers 66 wired charging. This expansion into Malaysia and potentially other markets represents a significant step for Huawei in broadening its global footprint, with the Pura 70 series promising high-end technology and innovation in its latest smartphone offerings.